Okay, so we're going to try a hand launch this time and see if a hand launch does anything different. Because just trying to get it to fly the other way was not working at all. So with a hand launch, it seemed to be doing okay until it just did not have enough lift to go anywhere, even though I was pulling up on the stick as maximum as able and thrusting as fast as it could. Now, the weakness of this plane, and I've demonstrated over and over and time again, is that unfortunately whenever it attempts to land, the propeller would touch the ground, and luckily now I have it so that when it does, it'll just come off and you can put it back on like you just seen me do right now. So not a biggie. Before, all the other propellers were just getting destroyed. So that's the issue with this thing, and unfortunately, even though I put the wheels, landing gear all the way back here, sometimes when it's rough enough, like what happened right there, it was rough enough to hit, and this is bends so it still touches the ground. At this point, I don't think there's much else that can be done in this configuration to make this plane fly, and so we may try with different electronics or something else, but I don't think this thing was really the best design overall. And again, when it came out of the box with everything, it flew okay, but then again, this was always the weakest link of the plane, and so I don't know, there's not my favorite design, although the structure of the plane itself is really good, very sturdy, very strong. It's taken so many, like hundreds and hundreds of crashes, and everything is still in perfect working order. The electronics never got broken back here. All the servos still work as they should. Elevators, elevons, all that stuff, all the technobabble works just fine. Again, the only weak link is back here. No matter what motor I put in, no matter how I try to set this up, the thing does not fly very well, and eventually on the landings you're gonna break the propeller. So there we go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care, guys.